welcome to another video. Thank you so much for checking me out if you're new here, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Happy New Year to every single person. This is our first haul for year 2023. Guys, my goal this 2023 is for us to get to at least 5,000 subscribers. Y'all know we could do it, okay? Y'all could help your girl out, you know, share my video with your friends, share my video with your family member, you feel me? And we could grow from there. I appreciate all your support since 2020 that I started this channel. I appreciate you guys. We are going into our 3rd year now, so let's try and help your girl to get to where she wants to get to. As you guys can see the title today, it is another Fashion Nova haul. I went over there and I caught me a couple of things over there, and I'm like, let me come on and show you guys what I thought about it and what you guys think. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, let's get into this video. If you want to see what your girl got from Fashion Nova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay y'all, this outfit that I have on, it ain't it at all. Like Fashion Nova, I know, I mean, do we have to be naked every time? Can y'all just make a cute outfit and make it classy and cute? The top part, it's a 2-piece set. The top part, I'm not mad at. Like, I am not mad at it. It's a little bit, it got its own issue, but I could still finesse that. It has this nice, beautiful metal thingy going up here, and it's like a bustier. It has this feather situation. Y'all see? Do y'all see? Like, it is just popping off like my whole floor right now. It ain't even it. And I have 2 of this outfit, 2 different color, 2 different style, but it's the same thing. They both have feathers. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, what is this Fashion Nova? Like, look at this. That's fine. The top, that's the problem I only have with the top. Now let me show you guys the skirt. The skirt, I'm wearing it the wrong way. Disclaimer, I'm wearing it the wrong way, but if I wear it the right way, all my kuntus will be all out. So, but let me show you guys. This is it right here. What is this Fashion Nova? Like, what is this? I can't. I don't even want to like say too much on this because this is ridiculous. Like, where am I wearing it? Where do you expect somebody to wear this to, Fashion Nova? Like, where do y'all expect me to wear this to? Like, this is not going anywhere but inside my house. So this definitely is gonna be going back to Fashion Nova. I'm not even no ifs, ands, or buts about this. We're taking this back, like because this right here is supposed to be here, like front slit right here. Like I told you guys, if I wear this the right way, all my kitty cats will be on display. We're not doing that. This is 2023, and this is the back right here. Like, what am I? It's not even flattering to the body at all. There's nothing flattering about this Fashion Nova. Nothing flattering. Like, let's just move on to the next one. I can't even. I'm done. Okay guys, this is the second one with the feather that I got from Fashion Nova. This one is shorter and it's hot pink. I like this one. Like, I like this one, okay? But don't get me wrong, it still sheds. Like, I'm gonna show you guys my floor right now. Like, it is all over the floor. All over the floor. It is shedding like a motherfucker. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this one, because I'm gonna keep this one. I like this one. It's really cute. It's really nice. It is a bondage material. I'll put the name. Let me see. Can I get a name? No, I can't. I'll put the name up here for you guys. If you guys don't see it here, it'll be in the description box. It's really cute. It's really nice. This is what the back is looking like. It like sucks you in really good. It is a short mini skirt, but it's not micro mini, it's just mini. So this is really cute. I like this. It does have the metal thingy right here. Push you up, holds you very well. And for me to be able to wear it and be comfortable, and like I go out and be comfortable, I have to take off this feather because I cannot sit down and my feathers, I'll be like what they call it, big yellow bird from Sesame Street. So yeah, I'm walking and I'm shedding along, like all my feathers are following me. But other than that, this one is way better than that one. So okay y'all, this is the next thing that I got. I just think this is the most cutest, flirtiest, girliest thing ever, y'all. Like, this is too cute. Oh, it's short, okay? It's short, but look at the back. But look at the back. Oh my days. Oh my goodness. You can't tell me you don't like this. You cannot tell me you don't like it. It's girly, it's youthful, it's very classy, kind of, you know, really, really cute. If you want, you could put a blazer or jacket on top of this and you'll be good to go. I think it's cute. This is like a jacquard material, and it's like black, brown, and gold, and a little bit of silver whitish thingy on this. Yeah, you could wear gold with this, and you could wear silver with this, or you could wear some dark color jewelry and accessory with this one. I really enjoy this. It's so, I just think it's so flirty. It's so cute. Like, oh, I love this like this anywho. So I guess that's why I'm blushing over this. You can't tell me anything. Like this one, like makeup for the first black one that I tried for y'all. Like, we're not doing that. Like that first one was not it. But this right here really, really made up for it. This is what the neckline is looking like. It's like a nice, beautiful V-neck right over here. Oh, so cute. I think you can wear a bra with this, but you can like tape your boob up so, you know, the girls can, you know, be together. But if not, I still think it's cute like that. Okay, y'all. I don't know who be making clothes at Fashion Nova nowadays, but they need to get a better, either a better tailor or a better designer. Somebody got to do something different at Fashion Nova. I'm putting this joint on, and the best part of the outfit keep coming apart. Y'all see my peach kind of went up. Like, I'm upset, okay? Really, really upset with this outfit, because this is such a beautiful, beautiful black dress. What happened, Fashion Nova? Y'all see my shape in this? Oh, words cannot express how disappointed I am in this dress. Let me show you guys. Like, it's supposed to be 2 straps, which is this one that stay put, and this one right here that broke apart. Like, y'all see this? And then every single hook on this outfit is like coming apart. See that and see that, like right here, right here. Like, why now Fashion Nova? We're supposed to be getting better, not this. So what am I supposed to do with this now? What am I supposed to do with this? Like, this haul, I love everything that I got, but right now it's like making me want to cry. Like, I'm about to shed a tear. Like, I spend book of money. Like, I spend a lot of money. But baby, do y'all just see the way? Not even talking about the broken part, but y'all just see the way the outfit just like snatch you in. I can't. And this is supposed to be part of their looks. This is part of their luxe line that they have. But the luxe is luxing in the material of the outfit though. The luxe is really, really luxing. Like, this is such a good bondage material. Size down if you wanted to snatch you this much. I'm naturally a medium with Fashion Nova, but with this one I got a small, and baby, thank God I got a small. Like, baby. But the only part is this. Like, this is pretty long. As you guys can see, it's like hanging. It's not even, if I got a medium, what would have happened to this? But anywho, we're gonna take it to the tailor and see what the tailor says, because I'm keeping this. This outfit is everything and some. Like, I'm gonna take it to the tailor and see what they say. Hopefully they can help me like figure out how to like keep this from breaking and stuff. It is too cute for me to return. Too freaking cute for me to return. These 2 pieces, okay? These 2 pieces just make your girls smile. This one right here is everything and some, baby. Yes, honey. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Cause I love this. Wish it was a little bit tighter. I got this in a medium. A small would have been perfect, but I'm okay. I'm cool. But baby, y'all see the detail. See, if they had made the black, the first outfit that I showed you guys, if they had put this, something like this in it, like this pin up here, I would have kept it. I would have kept it. I would have just kept it because I like it also. This right here, I just love it. If you want it to be a little snatch, more snatch on your body, go ahead and size down. I stayed in my size, which is a size medium. It is a bondage material also. This color on my skin though. This color on my skin though. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with your girl. This is what the back is looking like. Oh more. Suki. And the fact that it's high-waisted, like y'all see how long it is on me? Like it got all the way to my ankle. With the heel on. Like with the heel on, we are doing something. We are doing something. I love this. Like it is so freaking cute, and the color, baby. If you don't want your skin to show, you could just put a blazer on this and you are good to go. It has an adjustable strap on the back, so you will be looking like dollars. You'll be looking like money. Like money. You'll be looking like money. And then you guys can see it also have the details right here on the top part. Man. Okay, Fashion Nova, this is an outfit. That first one was bad. 𝐿𝐸, what happened? Like 𝐿𝐸. I mean, this right here it's better, way better. Yo, this is the shoe that I got from them. I'm gonna show you guys on the side what it looks like. Right over here, you guys will see what it looks like. Yeah, such a cute little bump shoe. The heels is everything and some. Really comfortable too though, and it's stocking. Like you could wear this during the spring and fall time. I don't think you'll be sweating. I think you watch I wear this in the summer also. It's very airy. Ooh, that was close. Like it's see-through, it's not thick or anything, so air can still get into your feet and all that good stuff. I sized up in this, so I say size up also. If we're half a size, I'm normally an 8, so I got this in an 8.5, and it fits perfectly well. Okay, so yeah, this is the last outfit for you guys. Faux leather pants. I don't have this color. I have a lot of blacks, and I think I have a couple of browns, guys, and I don't have this color in my collection, so I decided to get this also. It's cute. It fits just perfect. It fits just perfect. I like it. It's really nice. It's really cute, and it came in really cute. I got this in a medium, except for the black dress with the silver thingy going down on here that I said it broke. Yeah, that's one thing I got in a small. Everything else is in a medium. And it's really nice high-waisted situation. I'm not gonna say it's like high-waisted, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's cute. This is the back. It's like a cream color. It's not white, it's cream color, but I feel like I could get away with, if they call a white party, I should be able to wear this with a nice white top and be good to go. So this is what this is looking like. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for checking me out. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to check the description box out. I will link every single thing that I have on today will definitely be in the description box, so don't skip that part, okay? Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.